Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. Now we made it out to this first stop, man. We out here in Brentwood, Tennessee, man. We about to do this Porsche Macan 2012. It look like it's gonna rain, so I need to get to it before this weather change. But I'm about to go ahead and work on this interior first, because even if it do rain, at least I had the interior completely done. We're gonna go ahead and spiff this interior up. Got a lot of get dirt in between there. You see how I got dirt right there, so we got a little detailed job to do, but we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking. If you see the carpet, your typical debris, man, your sticks, your twigs. But she said her husband barely really cleaned the car. Then, like I said, it's a 2012, so you look in between there, gonna have to get in there real good, clean up in there. But like I said, I always gotta pull these seats back, because if you see how that dirt hides, once again, dirt hides, so you gotta make sure you pull these seats back to get all the dirt. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. You see the
McDonald's, you can be targeted by the bill.
But the whole car gonna come out well, man. And I'm not really tripping. I'm about to go ahead, knock this out. You know, got your typical debris like always, man. The exterior a little dirty. You see the wheels. You know what I mean? So the wheels a little dirty. You get back in the exterior. See how to get back here. Got dirt stuff right here. But we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. You know what I mean? And do what we gotta do, man. And we're gonna definitely knock this out, man. This right here is just another day. Like I said, with the weather, we only got one car today, because I actually got to do an interview later around 2 o'clock, so I didn't schedule a lot of work today. So I'm gonna knock this detail out for the lady and her husband. It's his birthday today, so happy birthday to you. And hey, I'm gonna do what I gotta do, man. We're gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. We just finished this Porsche Macan, man. Came out great. Like I said, we had to wax it and do the interior detail. Car came out fantastic. I didn't do any tire shine yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and get to that. But everything came out well. I mean, well. See the wheels, they clean. They had a heavy dirt dust, but car came out good, man. We got the car looking immaculate in the interior. You know what I mean? Got the sunroof, everything clean. Got seats clean thoroughly. You know what I mean? Monitors clean good. Just everything clean good. Got a nice coat of wax on the car, everything. Like I said, it's his birthday today, so his wife wanted to get it done for his birthday. So made sure we provided the best service possible today. But the car came out well, man. Like I said, only thing I haven't done yet is tire shine the tires. Might not do that because I'm not sure if it's supposed to rain. They said it's supposed to rain today and tomorrow, but this rain been iffy. It's supposed to be raining Saturday, Sunday, Monday. Didn't rain none too much Sunday. Didn't rain none Monday. But like always, man, I'm gonna do what I gotta do, so do what you gotta do. Or you do what you gotta do, because I'm always do what I gotta do. Hit that subscribe button, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video with somebody, man. Come on, let me know what y'all think about this work I've been doing. I know I've been having a lot of things on the channel just randomly, but one thing I noticed about my channel, I won't be stuck just doing one thing on my channel. I know I started off as a vlog as a detailer, but I'm adding all this other stuff. Like today, I'm going to do a look into a look into an entrepreneur. I'm doing an interview today. That'll probably be a Friday. But like always, I'm gonna go ahead and park this car, get paid. I gotta get home, get dressed, take a shower, get ready for this interview at 2 o'clock. So like always, man, I'm gonna stay committed to the process. You stay committed to the process, man. I appreciate all the views that's coming to the YouTube channel. I appreciate all the comments and everything like that. But yeah, like I said, we just finished this Porsche Macan, man. I'm about to go ahead and park it. Let him know we completely done. Let his wife know I'm done. I can go ahead and get paid. And like always, I'm gonna be committed to the process. So like what I say, man, we all need a little love in this world, man. A lot of people ain't loved, don't feel appreciated. I was just told by somebody, they told me that they were never told they loved by their parents, none growing up, and that's crazy. But like I tell you, man, my kids be so worn out for me kissing them and telling them I love them, because I never was told I was loved by my father. My father never told me he loved me. My father's still alive, and he won't say I love you if I don't say I love you first. So I still don't know if he really loved me, because he didn't never say it out his mouth without me saying it. So, you know, he probably just saying it as a reply, you know, not knowing if he really feel that way. But I ain't finna drag that on in here. Like always, show a little love, get a little love. If you don't have nobody to love you, call somebody that you think love you. And like always, man, I'm gonna stay committed to the process, and peace.